Hello everyone, is your check engine light on and your engine fan isn't working properly? Maybe it's running all the time or not turning on when needed? If your OBD-II scanner pulled up P0655, engine hot lamp output control circuit malfunction. This means your car's cooling system isn't sending the correct signal to the warning light or fan system, which could lead to overheating and severe engine damage. In this video, I'll explain what P0655 means, the symptoms, and most importantly, the exact locations of the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. The P0655 trouble code stands for Engine Hot Lamp Output Control Circuit Malfunction. Your car's powertrain control module controls the engine hot lamp, which alerts you when your engine temperature is too high. If the PCM detects an issue in the circuit that controls this warning system, it triggers P0655. This could mean a faulty sensor, wiring issue, or even a failing PCM. If not fixed, it can lead to overheating, engine damage, and cooling fan problems. Common symptoms of P0655: engine hot warning light not turning on, warning light staying on even when the engine is cool, cooling fan running constantly or not turning on, engine overheating, check engine light on. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the key sensors and components involved in this problem. To diagnose P0655, focus on these critical parts. Powertrain control module, usually found on the firewall, under the dashboard, or near the engine bay. Sends signals to control the engine hot lamp and cooling fan. Engine coolant temperature sensor, near the thermostat housing or on the engine block. Measures engine temperature and sends data to the PCM. Instrument cluster warning light panel, dashboard panel where warning lights are displayed. Displays the engine hot warning light when needed. Cooling fan relay and wiring in the engine bay, usually near the radiator or fuse box. Turns the cooling fan on and off based on signals from the PCM. Wiring and connectors between the PCM, ECT sensor, and instrument cluster. Transfers the hot lamp signal. A short, open, or corroded wire can cause signal loss or incorrect readings. Common causes of P0655: faulty engine coolant temperature sensor. A failing sensor sends incorrect temperature readings to the PCM, bad PCM, ECM. If the PCM isn't processing temperature data correctly, the warning light and fan system won't work properly. Wiring issues. Damaged wires between the PCM, ECT sensor or instrument cluster can interrupt the signal. Defective instrument cluster. A bad dashboard panel may fail to display the engine hot warning light. Stuck cooling fan relay. If the relay is faulty, the cooling fan may stay on or off at the wrong times. How to fix P0655. Step 1. Check for additional codes. If you also see ECT sensor or cooling fan codes, fix them first. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for broken, corroded, or shorted wires in the engine hot lamp circuit. Step 3. Test the engine coolant temperature sensor. Use a multimeter to check sensor resistance and signal output. Step 4. Verify instrument cluster functionality. If the engine hot lamp is faulty, consider repairing or replacing it. Step 5. Test the PCM, ECM. If everything else checks out, the PCM may need reprogramming or replacement. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Reset the code using an OBD-II scanner and monitor your engine's behavior. Final words. Ignoring P0655 can lead to engine overheating, cooling fan failure, and potential engine damage. Fixing it ensures your temperature warning system works properly, preventing overheating and costly repairs. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0566, Cruise Control Off Signal Malfunction, P0567, Cruise Control Resume, Signal Malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.